What up, dudes? Running out to Weatherford to pick up a RMZ. Get up in there, guys. I know you want to see it. A lot of you guys ask for bigger dirt bikes. They're all right. They're fun. It's just hard to make money on them. They're not really that practical. It's a smaller market when you're selling them, but you know what? When they're priced right, you know we gotta go get them. So RMZ Suzuki 2004, 4-stroke, little monster. So we're running over real quick. Sweet T's going with me. We're gonna go get the Suzuki before somebody else does. God, hate for a Suzuki to end up in the wrong hands. I mean, I'll sell it to just about anybody when I'm done with it, but don't sell it to God. Don't sell it to that guy. No, no, no. Make sure I buy it. Not too bad, dudes. 290. Blake's gonna be excited about that. Got her loaded up. I think we're in here good, boys. Holler Wingstop. You know I had to stop and get something. Pretty sweet 290F, dudes. I know you guys are excited. I know you guys are excited like I am.
What you doing? Ask them if that's their horse. Nice guy.
I'm gonna go grab one of my ropes. I'll be right there. Cool, man.
Oh yeah? Can't ride him. What are you doing? Look at the other horses all like, hey!
Oh yeah, I should be out.
Oh, he don't like that, huh? Oh.
What's your name? Chris. Chris and Jared. You got it?
Well, we should. I'll kill the horses probably going up. I appreciate it.
All right, bye-bye.
There goes 05 RMZ. 05 RMZ. 250 with 294. Let's see what she'll do, huh? What up, boys? I know a lot of you guys like to pick dirt bikes. RMZ 290. There's y'all $1,000 worth of dirt bike right there. Picked her up on Marketplace, found it about 5 minutes before they posted it. Athena big bore 290 kit, cylinder, lots of works parts, graphics, good suspension on it. Fires right up and rips, man. Jetted carb, big gun exhaust. Sounds good, y'all heard it. So I'm gonna get her listed. Instead of Easy Money Mondays, boy, it's gonna be Easy Money Saturday right here. Picked her up for a G, should sell for probably $2,500. I don't know, between 18 and 2,500. Just depends on what day it is, how much they piss me off. Be sure and get up in there. I got you another review coming. Check it. Got the old county line big AC unit, and we picked this bad boy up the other day. We're gonna see what the temps are. So far with water, this is blowing out air 15 degrees cooler, but we're gonna throw some ice in it tomorrow. Who knows, maybe it'll blow 30 degrees cooler, 40 degrees cooler. First thing I'm gonna do, take some pictures of this bad boy, get it back on Facebook so I can make me some money. Appreciate you guys, thanks for watching. Be sure and like and subscribe. Lots more to come, dudes. And hey, you holler about me, you holler at me about rebuilding your YZ125 motor? You damn right, let's get her done. You're gonna be the first one. We might even make you a video, guys, but guess what? As far as engine builds go, we're open back for business. We're ready to rebuild your motor. We're ready to get it back out to you in a timely manner. Hit us up. Hit us up. Hit me up. Hit me up. Appreciate you dudes. I know y'all appreciate it. I want to talk to you guys about something else. Want to holler at you guys about something else. I try and get you guys some GoPro footage the other night of us working on a motor. Nobody liked the audio. Oh boy, okay, nobody liked the audio. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. I put a daggum mic on here, we get a glitch. Like a delay, a lag in the audio. I can't even stand to edit the videos. Usually the iPhone has good audio because I'm right here. We're this far away. We're this far away, dudes. So it's a little bit different deal. The GoPro 9, I'm gonna give you all a review on that. Worst camera I've ever owned. I'm gonna be flat out honest with you. The 7, way better camera. Never tried an 8, 7's a way better camera. The 9, China garbage. Promise you it is. And I'm gonna prove it to you. So I've got another mic coming that cost 150% of what the camera cost. So the camera cost me $200, and now I got 2 mics on the way for $299. I hope you guys appreciate it because I'm doing it for you, and I can spend the money in a lot of other places. But goddamn, people I never even heard of before. People never comment about nothing. All I hear last night on the video is about the audio this, the audio that, the audio this, that. So we're gonna give it one more try, boys. Another freaking mic, and I'll have this GoPro video coming up soon. Appreciate you dudes.